pray together. Attention, please. Let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Amin. Okay, let's check your attendance first. Hamza. Okay. Adel. Okay. Haula. Elsa. Nabila. Fauki. Ima. Farhan. No one is absent, right? So guys, this is our second meeting. So do you still remember what we have learned in the last meeting? Yes, informal letter. So what is informal letter? Do you still remember, guys? No? No, okay. Let me explain to you again. So informal letter is a letter that we write to someone that we know well, such as your family member or your friend. And what is the social function of informal letter? One can answer? Raise your hand. No? Okay, I write down. Okay. Social function. The first one is to share. Yes, information. And then what else? Share. Yes, experience. And the third is to maintain. Yes, personal relationship. And then what is the last? The last social function. Persuade. Yes, persuade. Okay, and what is the component of informal letter? Do you still remember?
Yes.
What is the first one?
Sender address.
Okay, good. Senders. The sender address. What is the second?
Date.
Yes, date. Then what is the third?
Greeting.
Yes, greeting. What is the fourth component?
Body.
And then what is the last component?
Form of subscription.
Form of subscription. Or signature. Okay. So, in today's meeting, we will learn about informal letter again, but we focus on writing and presenting informal letter. So, this is our learning objective. So, the first one is you must write informal letter appropriately, and the second is you present the informal letter that you have written well. Okay. So students, I have the video about informal letter. So please pay attention to the video because after you watch the video, I will ask you some questions. Okay?
People send letters to their friends and family telling them about how they are and what they are doing. Who has heard of so many ideas all at once? I thought about what I could write to and what I could tell them about you. I also thought about what I could ask in my letter so I could learn more about the person I was writing to. You have to send a letter in order to get a letter. And if you want to send a letter, you have to know how to write one. Try saying hi first. There's lots of ways to say it. Pick one that matches how you want to sound and what you think the person you're writing would like to hear. Another important thing to notice is that the other person is able to read your letter when they get it. So you gotta make sure your letters are clear. Pictures are always a big hit. Don't forget to say loud at the end of your letter. You
video? Yes. Have I played twice?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's watch the video again. Okay, please pay attention, guys.
People send letters to their friends and family telling them about how they are and what they are doing. Well, I started to get sloppy ideas all at once. I thought it would.
Let's discuss the video. Okay, what is the boy doing in the video? Yes, writing an informal letter. And who is the person that the boy writes an informal letter?
His friend.
Yes, correct, Nora. His friend. What is his friend?
Kimian.
Yes,
Kimian.
Kimian. And what does the boy write in informal letter? Yes, to inform about his pet. Okay. So we have informal letter. So who wants to be volunteer to read this one? Who wants? Raise your hand. No one? Okay, I will point you. So I want Bella. Please read this one.
From update. Bekerja.
From yes.
Bekerja Sukoharjo Central Java 57591 December 2025. Dear Jackson, how are you? I want to tell you about my visit to Lahore. I traveled to Lahore with my family in summer holiday. First, let me tell you about my flight. It was a comfortable flight. We reached Allama Iqbal Airport of Lahore at 10:30 in the morning. We stayed in Park Hotel near Ramji Park. The first day was wonderful as we went to many interesting places. For example, Shahi Kila or Lahore Fort, Sheikh Mahal, Rishpur Park, Shop of Jahangir Museum. The next day, we went for shopping and I bought many dresses. My family liked the cold weather. We stayed there for 5 days. So as you can see, I really enjoyed my visit to Lahore and I think I would like to get there again. How much you say, Mariam? Write to me about it. Your friend.
Okay, thank you, Bella. So what is the sender address in this informal letter? Yes. What is the sender address in this informal letter? Yes, to from Begaja to yes, Sukoharjo. And then
Central Java.
yeah, and then yes, 57551. And then what is the date in this informal letter?
December 2, 2025.
Good, everyone. And then what is the greeting in this informal letter?
Dear Jackson,
Good. And then what is the body?
how are you? First, write about me
From I want to tell you to
write to me.
yes, write to me about
About
it.
it.
How are you? Yes. Yes.
Greeting.
Greeting. And then what is the format of subscription or signature?
Your
Your
friend,
friend
Annie.
Annie. Okay, good, everyone. And then let's take a look at how to write an informal letter.
Letter.
Do you know what is it? Yes, like map. Yes, mind mapping. So we will use this mind mapping to write informal letter. Okay. So in these each boxes in this mind mapping, there are component of informal letter. So we have see sender's address, date, greeting, body, and forms of subscription or signature. The body include 3 paragraph. What is the first paragraph?
Reason.
The second, more detail. The third, closing remarks. Okay. So we start from what is the first component? Yes, the sender. Let's we write together. First one is date. So we write date from specific to broader. So you can make it like 3 lines. The first one is street. Is it true? Yes. I'm sorry, the street number. What is the street number in this example? 48. Yes, 48. And then what is the street? Good, very much. And then in the second line, we can write sub district, city, or region. So what is the sub-district in this example? Yes, Jakarta Selatan is district. And then what is the city or region? Yes, DKI Jakarta. And you can, in the last line, you can write, province and zip code. What is the province? DKI Jakarta. And then what is the zip code?
122.
Yes, 120. 660. And then we come to the second. What is this?
Date.
Yes, date. Date. And what is the date today?
14.
December. 2025. And then we come to the third. What is the third? What is the third component? Yes, greeting. You can write this like Dear Olivia, how are you? Okay. And then what is? We come to the body. Do you still remember what is the third?
Reason.
Yes, the first one is reason. And what is the second?
More detail.
More detail. And then what is the
Closing
third?
word.
Yes, closing word. Good. So this is the body. So body input 3 paragraph.
Yeah.
So we come to what is the first paragraph of the body?
Reason.
Yes, reason. You can write. So who want to read this one? Yes, Elsa. Please write this.
Tell about my vacation in Bali.
Hmm?
Travel to Bali with my family in comfortable flight.
Okay, good, Elsa. Thank you. So the sender want to tell about vacation. No, about vacation in Bali. And then who is the sender travel to Bali? With his family. Okay. Then what is the second paragraph?
More
Yes, more details. Who want to read this one? Just Adele. Okay, please read this one.
Arrived at Boracay International Airport at 9:45. Stayed at a hotel in Kuta.
Yes.
Day 1, amazing. Visit Kuta Beach. Gawi Rencana, Keluarga Tempo, Bali Zoo. Day 2, went shopping in a traditional market, bought souvenir and Bali Expo.
Okay, good, Adele. Thank you. So in this more details, the sender explain about that he arrived, he stayed at a hotel in Kuta, and he explain about the first day in the Bali and then the
Second day.
Okay. And what is the third paragraph in the Bible?
Blessing
Yes,
word.
blessing word. Who want to read this word? Dima. Okay, please read this one. You are serious? Yes, you can come in front of me.
Enjoy my vacation. Won't visit Bali again someday. Asking about Olivia summer camp and requesting a visa.
Okay, good, Dima. Thank you. Okay. In the closing word, the sender expressed that he enjoyed his vacation, he want to visit Bali again, and then yes, asking about Olympia summer. Okay. Okay, what is the last component?
Signature.
Yes, form of subscription or signature. You can write to your friend. Your friend means that what is?
Sender.
Yes. Your friend is sender. Okay, what is the first one? Yes.
No.
No.
Address.
And the date. What is this? Greeting. Yes, greeting. What is this? Signature. For this subscription, you can write it down again in the informal letter. Okay. So what is this?
Body.
So you have write your reason in the my happy. So let's we develop this your points ideas into sentence. Okay. So what is the first one? Tell about
My
vacation in Bali. So how can we change this ideas point into sentence? What is the complete sentence? Conjunct of subject. Subject plus predicate. Predicate and complement. Tell, what is tell? Subject, predicate or complement? Yes, predicate. So, and then the complement is about my vacation in Bali. And what is the missing part in this sentence?
Subject.
Yes, subject. So, who can we write subject? Yes, I. Can write I. In this informal letter. Why do we write I? Subject I. Yes, Elsa?
Because we are the sender.
Yes, we are as the sender. Okay. So, and the second point, who can make it into sentence? Raise your hand. Who is the missing part of the points?
Subject.
Yes, subject. We can use subject I. So the sentence is I travel to Bali with my family. And then what is about comfortable flight? What is the comfortable flight? You can speak louder, Elsa. So what is the sentence from the the ideas point into sentence. Like this, you can read this quietly. And then for the body part is more details. This is the ideas points. Yes, the points. And then we can expand it to sentences like this. Okay. Then we can make the closing words like this. You can read quietly. Okay. So this is our informal letter from the mind mapping. Who want to present this informal letter in front of the class? Want to be volunteer? Farhan? Okay, Farhan, please come in front of the class and present this informal letter. Okay? Farhan? You can present it to your friend. Okay? Yes.
Dear Olivia, how are you? I want to tell you about
No. You must introduce yourself first before you present this informal letter.
name is Rahman. Today,
Present
presents
my informal
normal
letter. So you ask more than okay.
48 North Ketukangan, Jakarta Selatan, DKI Jakarta, 1260 February 14, 2020. Dear Olivia, how are you? I want to tell you about my vacation in Bali. I traveled to Bali with my family. First, let me tell you about my flight. It was a comfortable flight. We arrived at Ngurah Rai International Airport at around 9:45 in the morning. We stayed at a hotel in Kuta, not far from the beach. The first day was amazing because we visited many beautiful places such as Kuta Beach, Garuda Wisnu Kencana, Uluwatu Temple, and the Bali Museum. Next day, we went shopping in the traditional market, and I brought some souvenirs and Balinese clothes. We stayed there for 5 days. As you can see, I really enjoy my vacation in Bali, and I think I would love to go there again someday. How was your summer camp and summer camp? Write to me about that, your friend Mona.
Who is the person that you want to write this one?
Olivia.
Yes, to Oli.
Olivia.
Yeah. So good Farhan, thank you for your participation. Give applause, guys. So this is our time to work. So I will divide you into two groups. So and then one group consists of 5 people. Count from number 1 to 2. Okay? Let's start from you. 1, 2, yes, 2, yes, 1,
2.
1, 2,
2, 2. Okay, please sit down on your group. Find your friend and that have the same number with you and sit down on your group. Okay?
Wow.
missing box carefully. Then write the correct name of each part in the white box based on the component of an informal letter. And then give the number or sequences of the component. Do you understand, guys, about the instruction? Yes. Okay. I will give you 7 minutes to fill the blank box. Okay. We start from now. Okay. Minus, yeah. Yes. And you must write the number. Number of. Oh, yes. Yes, like this. Okay, and what about room one? Do you have difficulties? No? You must write the name of the woman, not just the number. Discuss in your group, guys. But the new sign is for this kid. You finish? So please check again in your group. Dia cheating, dia no. Yes, cheating. No. Please check again, guys. Your answer before we check the answer together, okay? There are still 2 minutes again. Let's check together. So the time is 20 seconds left. Read quickly, guys. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, who group want to present the answer? Okay, group 1, please come to the right side. Okay, group 1, please. You can read the explanation first and then you can explain your answer.
So the first one is 25 Khatib Sulaiman Street, Padang Utara, Padang, Sumatera Barat.
What is this?
The center address.
Okay, what about group 2? You have the same answer or? Yes. Yes? Yes, please. The answer is the sender's address. Okay, correct. And then what about the second component?
Day.
What is this?
December 15, 2035.
What about group 2? Do you have the same answer? Yes. Yes? Yes, correct. Okay, this is date. Then what is the third component?
Greetings.
Yes, what is that?
Dear Jack, how are you? I hope you blah blah blah.
Okay. What about group 2? Same. Yes, same. Okay, read. Dear Jack, how are you? I hope you is reading. What about group 4?
For this reason,
Then what is that?
tell Jack about my holiday at Victoria Beach in Pariaman and traveling there when by car from Padang 1 hour trip.
What is the body, the paragraph in this body?
Reason.
Yes. What about group 2? Yeah. Okay, good. Correct. This is the reason of body. And then what is the next body?
For the terms.
Yeah. What is that?
My description about the beach, beautiful view, calm wave, and clean sand. My activity at Victoria Beach, walk along the beach, taking photo, enjoying fresh sea breeze, fried snack, salalawa, coconut drink. My favorite part, watching the TNT, AL, struggle monument near the beach.
Okay. What about group 2? Same. Yeah. Okay. Correct. This is the body. The second paragraph. More details. And then what is the third body?
Make closing words.
What is that?
Enjoy, ask about Jack trip to Bali and requesting him to share his experience.
What about group 2? Yes, same. Okay, correct. This is the third body. The paragraph of body. And then what is the last component?
Signature.
Yeah. What is that?
Your friend Afghan.
Yeah. What about group 2? Same. Okay, good. This is your friend of God is some form of subscription or signature. Okay, thank you Farhan and group Papa 1. Okay, next we will do alphabet 2. I will share to you. This is for your group. And this is for your group. Okay? Okay, in the alphabet 2, who want to read the instruction?
Elsa, Mrs.
Okay, Elsa, please read the instruction.
Instruction. Look at the mind mapping AL41 and write each part in the correct number place. On the ready section, change the ideal volumes into correct sentences. Make sure your grammar is correct.
Do you understand that about the instruction?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sorry.
Do we start now? Yeah? Okay. I will give you 10 minutes. Okay. We start from now. Okay, please do it in your group, guys, and discuss. About group 2. Good. Please discuss in your group, okay? So look at your everyone. There are 3 minutes again left. 1 minute left. Be quickly, guys. Okay. What about group 1? Do you finish? Finish? Yep. Good. And what about group 2? Do you finish? Finish? Okay. We still have 41 seconds. Please check again your answer and discuss it again in the group. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Aiza. Okay, do you all finish, guys? Yes. Please take a photo of your alphabet 2 and send it in group WhatsApp group. Okay? Photo first. Just alphabet 2. Okay? Take a photo, please. Have the group 1 finish? Yes. And what about group 2? Have you finished? Yes. Yes. Let's check. Group 2, 20. Okay, it's okay. Okay, who is first group to present their alphabet 2 first? Group 2? Okay, please come in front of the class and present your alphabet group. Introduce your group first.
Okay, we are from group 2. I'm Robert Classes.
I'm Laura. Mila.
Joey.
Mila.
So the first one is the first
The address. Okay.
is 25 buttons like 1, 3. Pada one pada semester mana?
Okay, what about group 1? Same.
And the date is December 15, 2025.
What about group 2? Everyone? I'm sorry. Yes, same. Okay, what about 3?
The greeting is Dear Jack, how are you? I hope you have.
Okay, what about group 1? Yes. Okay, and then move to the 4 component.
I project on accredited Kolo yang disukayakan. I will buy car for Padang for 1 hour please.
Okay, wait. What about group 1? Have is the sentence correct? Correct. Let's check. I tell Jack about my holiday. Yes, there is subject I, tell is predicate. And then the second, I went by car, blah blah blah. I is subject. And when? Predicate. Okay, correct. Group 2. And then you can continue to the body or else. Sorry.
One female. This view is very beautiful. The wind is cold and the sand is very clear. I want to love the beach. Photos, enjoy fresh breeze. I try street like Salaloa. My favorite part was squinting to the energy. A no struggle when I hear the beach.
Okay, what about group 1? Do you find it is correct or false? Correct sentences? Okay, let's check. The beach view is very beautiful. What is the beach? Subject. Is predicate. Yes, predicate. And blah 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 is complement. I walked along the beach. Is this correct? Correct. I is subject. What is the predicate? Walk. I tried street food like salawwa and coconut drink. I is subject. Try? Predicate. Okay. And then my favorite part was watching the NE. Is this correct? Yes. What is the subject? My favorite part. And what's watching? What is that? Yes, predicate. You can continue group 2.
Okay, everybody in the classic work. I really enjoy my trip to Badalian Beach. Okay, what about your trip to Bali, Jack? Please write back to me about your experience. I'm waiting.
What about group 1? Is this correct? Is the sentence correct? Yes. Really enjoy. Okay. Okay, you can continue to the last component.
Subscription or signature is your friend after.
Okay. Thank you for group 2. Give applause, guys. Okay, you can sit down again. Okay, and then we want to group 1. Then your FPD. Street, Padang Utara, Padang West Sumatera. And the second one is the on December 15, 2025.
Okay, thank you for group 1. Please give applause. Okay, we next to individual tasks. Okay, I will share you Padlet. Okay, wait a minute. Please open your phone and click the link in the WhatsApp group. Have you opened the link, guys? Yes, yes. Okay, please read this one. Who want to read the instructions? Okay, Elsa, please read. Please louder, Elsa.
Write your complete informal letter here based on your group's finding. For the body component, write it as a paragraph. You can do sequence conjunctions such as firstly, then, after that, finally, and etc. It will make your paragraph more related each other. Click the plus button to start your writing and detail. Don't forget to write your name first.
Okay, thank you, Elsa. Do you understand about the instruction, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so you must write informal letter based on
My name is.
yes, mind mapping in alphabet 2 that you write in your group. Okay. I give you 7 minutes. Okay. You can start from now. You can discuss in your group, guys, but don't be cheated. Okay. Group 1, do you have difficulties? No. Okay. And what about group 2? Yes, individual. But you must to write this based on alphabet that you write in your group. So pay attention to the component, guys. Make sure that you have write your informal letter based on the component. Okay. What about Hamza? Do you finish? You can open the link on the WhatsApp group. Okay. 5 minutes left, guys. What about Imam? Do you finish? Okay. Fifteen seconds left. Be quickly, guys. 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. Do you all finish? Okay? No? Okay, it's okay guys when you do not finish the informal letter. Then we will play game. So in this game, the game is marker music. So I will play music for you, and then when the music is playing, you must to raise your hand when you get a marker, and then give it to your friend. Okay? We start from Bima. Bima, you can give it to Farhan, and then Farhan, you give it to Adele, and then you continue and like this. Yes? Okay? I will play music. Are you ready, guys? And I stop the music, and when you get a marker, you must come to the front of the class and present your informal letter. Okay? Okay, start from now. One, two, okay, Bima, let's start. Bima, press the marker first, and then you give your friend. Alright? Okay. Okay, please come in front of the class and present your informal letter, Farhan. Start now. Okay, students, please pay attention. Farhan.
Okay, the first is address.
Yes.
11 Bungo Tanjung State, Palembang Selatan, Palembang, Sumatera Barat,
Okay.
December 15, 2025. Dear team, how are you? I haven't heard you lately. I want to tell you that I'm going to Pekanbaru in this weekend with my family. I went to Pekanbaru with car. It took 5 and 7 hour trip. It was beautiful view when the night comes. Because all of the buildings so colorful. I enjoyed it, and I want to know about your situation there. Your match Farhan.
Okay, what about others? Do you have a comment or suggestion for Farhan? Good? Okay, what about the component? Is this complete? Yes. Yes, Farhan make it complete informal letter. Okay, thank you Farhan. Give applause, guys. Okay, so before we end the meeting, so what we learned today? Informal letter. Yes, informal letter. So what is the component of informal letter? The sender, right, date, body, and make it easy. Okay. And who can conclude what we have learned today? Raise your hand, please. Who wants to conclude what we have learned today? Okay, Hora. Okay, and
We have learned about informator is a letter to write to someone that you know well, such as family or friend. The social function is share information, share experience, maintain the personal relationship, and to pursue it. Okay. And the component, the first is the address that we think by the form of subscription and signature or signature.
Stop. You can next. Okay. Good, Haura. And then, what is the easier part of you after we learn? What is the easier part?
Easy part is
Okay. Do you like it?
yeah, we like it also.
And what is the difficult part of you?
No,
No?
it's easy as much
Okay. For make you more understand about informal letter, I will give you homework. So in your home, you must to write informal letter by yourself and then give it to me in the next meeting. Okay? So thank you for today's meeting. See you in the next.
See you.
Thank you.